Alright guys, we are here at Concours de Lemons at Monterey Car Week. But check this out, we got two really cute doggos here. And then look at all the crowds. I'm gonna do a quick walk around, see anything interesting. These are the awards for the show. Worst of show. Slightly better than go-kart. And these are the gifts that you win. So you start climbing up there, right? And then on this side, there's a slide that you slide down. This is epic. This looks like Miata. Look at that air intake.
The car was, really high temperature pads because, we're coming in corners 100 to 120 miles an hour. No, they didn't see it. The first oil pan. Just because you see oil pans the other direction.
Yuba City. My buddies on Facebook.
Yeah, I know. She had a beautiful station.
This is a hearse. It's on a
I feel like the modern one, he has to put his weight on it. It's so easy.
Which car is smoking already?
That's really cool. Someone's still
Did he purposely made it like this? Oh dang. Wow.
This is what your mom just sent us, was that sticker. She must be in your bag. Yeah, thank you. And then we did see.
I know. Well, he said that he finally got to the point where his bulkhead became structurally rusty. So he replaced it. He's all lucky.
Yes, what do you got? Kate, the Chevy.
It was just hanging out.
Yo, check this out. Mini F40. And they made it look like has the F40 looking wheels, red seats, interior.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I think I would.
Keep the legs. You need to back up, people. I know. Exactly. Kiss your tail.
Nice tail.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I gotta be like. We got like jazz hands.
These are painted on. That's pretty cool.
Oh no, there's a rope there.
This is a break for us.
Oh, maybe not clean, but like design clean. I don't know.
That's your spoil.
Wow.
Look at the engine.
Mount to the transmission.
All right, there are many people here, so bear with me.
Oh, here's Jurassic Park car. This is a fancy one. It's back in the seats. Oh, this one. Thank you. This is way around 2 miles. Yeah, no,
Oh, we got half a car here.
that requires
Kind of on-road, off-road bike.
Oh, there you have it. 2026 Concours de Lemon at Monterey Car Week.